Good morning. Good, how are you? Thank you. Thank you. And now we're in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Can already see some stuff for the 50th anniversary here at the park. I heard from JoJo's World, I saw on his Instagram that there's actually golden statues here at the park. And of course they have the 50th anniversary banners, the world's most magical celebration. They have the 50th anniversary banners going down Hollywood Boulevard. It looks very magical. It's on all of the lanterns here and streetlights. I love that. There's even some down by the ticket check. Wraps all the way around. Continues down Hollywood Boulevard. I'm sure there's some down Sunset as well. Hey Nanny.
Yeah?
Are you excited to be here again?
Yeah.
It's been a very long time, hasn't it?
Yes.
Oh, I can already see the golden statues, Nan.
Yeah, let's go look for them.
I know, they're on the left. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
We gotta go. There's a director statue over here, and I always have to ask, I wonder how long that movie is that he's directing. He's been there for like an awfully long time. Over at the Frozen Sing-Along Celebration, it says Lightning Lane and Standby Entrance. So they're slowly getting rid of everything that mentions Fast Pass here at Disney Parks. So our first round of golden statues is going to be R2-D2 and BB-8 from Star Wars. Oh, they look so pretty in the sun. Oh my gosh, because the sun's hitting them right now. Then the next one is going to be Edna Mode. These are the groups over on the left side. There's some more on the right though. Let's go check that out. Now on the right of the Chinese theater, it's going to be one of Woody and Bo Peep. This one is really small though. It's kind of like one of those things that you blink and you'll miss it. So I did not see this until we were getting closer.
Of course, they're on the 50th.
Yep, of course they're on the 50th anniversary pedestal, yeah.
And it's iridescent, nice gold, and it's a nice gold and like a pinkish.
Like a rose pink.
Rose
it's
pink,
pretty, yeah.
It's pretty. Very pretty.
Now, I think I got all of the golden statues here at Hollywood Studios, but if there's any that I missed, please let me know down in the comments below. I would really appreciate it, you guys. Because I know at some of the other parks, there are a few that I missed because I didn't see them, or they were on display yet. So please let me know if there's any that I'm missing here at Hollywood Studios. Really appreciate it. That baseline tap house smells good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
I smell of barbecue?
Yeah. All the food in here.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Passing by the stores here on Grand Avenue because we're heading into Batuu now. Can you believe it, Nan?
No.
Are you ready to have the adventure far, far away?
Yeah.
In a galaxy?
Far, far away.
I feel like watching Star Wars all of a sudden.
Yes.
We should.
We should, yes.
How about we watch Rogue One for like the 600th time?
I know you would.
Word for word. I'm dead serious about this, guys. I can quote Rogue One word for word. I know every single scene, every single line. I watched it more times than I can ever count. As soon as it came out, I just kept watching it. Hey, what's up you guys? I hope you are all doing well. We are here today and coming from you guys from Batuu over in Star Wars Land. It's a really fun day here today. We're going to be doing some of the last boarding groups here on Star Wars Rise of the Resistance because the boarding group system is going away to make way for like the virtual queue, as I mentioned a bit before as we were coming in. This is very exciting. I mean, it's also very scary because I want to know what's that line going to be like once they switch over to the queue. I'm sure it's probably going to be 4 hours like Flight of Passage was back in the day. Other than that, we're probably going to just ride some rides, take in some of the scenery. Who knows, we might try something to eat or maybe check out any new merchandise. So let's head on in, you guys. We're already in Batuu, but let's keep exploring. We're going to walk into the marketplace of Batuu. Now, Star Wars Land is probably one of my most favorite land here at Disney World, besides like Pandora, the world of Avatar, just because it's so beautiful and like detailed here. Like, look at all of this, you guys. You guys can see like some familiar faces up on the shelf over there.
I'm gonna wash my hands on the right. Come on, Maya.
still looks so cool. God, my phone is not focusing though.
Your color code. At this time, you will look down your feet to remember the color you are standing on. It is vital to your interrogation. Is this understood?
No.
Yes.
I'm going to throw you out the airlock.
Cool.
I'm sorry you had to live with her. Now then, one of you knows where the resistance base is located. Tell me now, and I might spare you from the interrogation.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Reoperation, attention one.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift now. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
You guys realize
crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Yes, sir.
I wonder what crashed here. Seems to have left a pretty big impact site. We're heading out of Batuu, going over into Toy Story Land now. And now we are in Toy Story Land. Do you think we can do Slinky Dog, Nan?
Maybe we'll see. Look, what's this?
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be Andy's footprints. Okay, it's supposed to be the size of a toy when you're in Toy Story Land. Oh, Slinky Dog is running despite the rain. That's awesome. Gonna go onto a Slinky Dog dash. Just got off of Slinky Dog Dash. The line said 45 minutes, but it was only like a 30-minute wait. And of course, it was really, really fun.
Look at hanging with the decoration.
From the Hollywood Scoops ice cream, I got this beautiful candy corn shake. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful this is. It's candy corn ice cream with spooky sprinkles, whipped cream, and a donut on top with more candy corn. Oh, this looks so good, you guys. Can't wait to dig in and let you guys know how it tasted. It's supposed to be candy corn with like whipped cream and donuts.
No, what is the treat?
Candy corn flavored ice cream or something, yeah.
Interesting.
It is interesting, isn't it?
I don't know if I would try that or not. Might be a little too sweet for my palate, but...
The more the merrier, Nick.
Indeed, but I do hope you enjoy this.
Thank you. So this concludes my fun-filled day here today at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Hope you guys all enjoyed it as well. We did a lot of things today, actually. We did Rise of the Resistance, we did Slinky Dog Dash, we did Star Tours. What else did we do? Oh, well, I did Tower of Terror, but my parents, they did not. However, we still had a lot of fun today, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun as well. Yeah, we did quite a lot today. It was a very adventurous day here today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much, because that does mean a lot to me. For those who have not subscribed to the channel yet, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below alongside the bell icon so you guys never miss an upload from me. I'm really close to getting 1,000 subscribers like super soon, and my birthday is next week, so what if we hit 1,000 for my birthday? That would be awesome, you guys. Please guys, come on. Remember to give this video a like, comment below, and share with your friends and family as well, because it does help me with YouTube's crazy algorithm. Remember to be kind and stay humble. I love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you all real soon!